Welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for a practical and budget-friendly people mover for family or commercial use, the 2026 Maruti Mini Bus might deserve your attention. Let's take a simple and honest look at what it offers. The overall design appears clean and functional, focusing more on usability than flashy styling. Large windows improve visibility and make the cabin feel open and airy. The sliding side door adds convenience, especially in tight city parking spaces. Inside, the multi-row seating layout provides generous space, making it suitable for school transport, staff commuting, or large families. Headroom and legroom seem practical for daily usage. The dashboard layout looks modern and straightforward, likely offering a digital instrument cluster and a touchscreen infotainment system in higher variants. Material quality seems durable and easy to maintain rather than luxurious, which fits the vehicle's practical purpose. The driving position appears comfortable, with good road visibility for urban and semi-urban routes. On the positive side, it offers spacious seating, practical entry and exit, strong usability for commercial purposes, and an expected fuel-efficient engine setup. However, on the downside, the interior may feel basic. Premium features could be limited, and performance is likely tuned more for economy than power. The styling is simple rather than eye-catching. The official price has not been confirmed yet. Based on its expected positioning, it may fall into an affordable range within the minibus segment. If your priority is space, practicality, and cost efficiency, this could be a smart choice. It makes more sense for business owners, transport operators, or large families rather than buyers looking for luxury or high performance.